Hello everyone, I want to share all of you here. This is Gcode CNC large program mazatrol course Gcode. If we work with machine, we understand about the way of the H plus, Z plus, E plus, relationship between connector. This is the G13. This is the G28. So this is the G59, G58, G52, G55, G54. This is mazatrol. This is the shoe. This is the jack. So the reference point, reference position. This is reference that machine travel from this way to this way, and then after then, but machine work with G58, G59, G52, G55, G54. Already machine is come back to the reference home position. So this is the basic machine connector. This is basic machine connector. The basic machine connector. This is the local. This is the local connector 0 points. This is above P0 points. So if you understand about Gcode, you know about all the Gcode that I mentioned. So this is the reference point. This is all basic machine connector. This is all the workpiece connector 0 point. This is local connector 0 point. This is the way from H plus. This is the way from Z plus. This is the way from E plus. This is the tool we score travel. We score go from this point to this point to this point. The movement from H, E and Z. The relationship between G54, G55, G58, G52, G59 is very important. So if you understand about all the program, you know this is CNC large program mazatrol course Gcode. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand about all of the Gcode. I will share more about the Gcode. You know, it is if you work, you must understand about relationship between the connector. Thank you for watching.